Now, let us note the following. Whenever I have negative less or less or equal to, I'll start measuring from negative infinity. Then, whenever I have greater or equal to, I'll start measuring from positive infinity. This is as a rule of thumb. It's easy to remember. Less, it's as if going on the negative, towards the negative x-axis. Greater, going on the positive x-axis. So, less, start measuring from negative infinity, greater from positive infinity. Look at this example now. Find the value of a, for which probability z less than a is 0.623. Now, I'll start with this part of the question. Probability z is less than a. So the very first thing that you have to do, you have to draw the normal distribution curve. I've drawn it already. Okay. This is a standardized normal distribution curve. As you can see, you have z here. So it is divided into two parts, half, 0.5, 0.5. Now, we go back to the question. I'm looking for probability z less than a is equal to decimal 623. So, as I've told you above, when I have less, I will start measuring from negative infinity. So, we go back to the curve now. From the negative infinity, I will move on and then stop on the x-axis where the total area on the curve is equal to decimal 623. So, when I reach half here, I know this is half, 0.5. Okay, half of part of the curve is 0.5. So to obtain 0.623, I have to go a bit further. Then I've shaded it already, right? Here it is. So this total area is decimal 5 plus a small bit, which gives decimal 623. Therefore, the total area from negative infinity to a is decimal 623. Now, the main point of this exercise is I am noting the position of a. So you see, a ends up on the positive x-axis. So a is a positive number. Right? That was the main thing. From the previous videos, you know how to find phi inverse. So we'll go through the calculation now. Probability z less than a is equal to decimal 623. So phi of a is equal to decimal 623. But a is equal to phi inverse. Before writing phi inverse, you should know the sign of a on the curve. So as you can see here, on the curve, a is positive. So a is equal to positive phi inverse decimal 623. So a is equal to positive decimal 313. So I repeat again, the main purpose of this exercise is to measure the total probability from negative infinity, because we had the less equal to. So I have stopped at this point, which shows a total area of 0.623. So a is a positive number. So that's why we obtain a is equal to decimal 313. We know from tables to find these values. If not, look at the previous videos. It will become clear for you.